we don't have to worry about
Student launch event coverage live from Huntsville, Alabama. We're here with the team from the University of Massachusetts Amherst, and normally there'd be a nice looking rocket right about here. In fact, see, you can just pencil it in yourself. Unfortunately, you're going to have to use your imagination because, as all tests go, yours did not turn out quite so well.
It did not turn out as we had hoped, but during our launch, it was about a week before FRR, our nose cone shifted just a little bit, and the momentum of the rocket ripped right through it. And in the sequence of events, our main was deployed at about 2,000 feet, and we discovered that there's a lake well off of the launch field. So all evidence was lost in that lake.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but you forgot to tell me that part of your story.
It was interesting at the time, let's say. But, we don't feel all that bad about, losing the rocket, even though, we obviously don't have a rocket to launch today, but we did learn a lot, and we learned even more through the failure analysis that we did afterwards. Because, having so little data and just trying to figure out what are the failure modes, how could it have failed, what can we do next time to fix it, that kind of thing.
Well, you bring up a fantastic point, and this is something that we deal with in NASA all the time, is we fail sometimes in order to learn and make the next one better. So I guess, is that the big plan?
That is indeed. So we're passing the team down to underclassmen now, and hopefully, they learned. We brought two of our underclassmen with us, so the two of us are seniors, and we're graduating, but we want them to have this experience, to know what's going on, because none of us have ever been here before. So last year there was a team from UMass Amherst, but all of those guys, they graduated. They're great friends of ours, and they have moved on, but we haven't been here before, so this is a great experience for us.
Well, I hope you guys get to enjoy the sunshine here in mid-April.
Yeah, that is true. We started off April with snow in Massachusetts.
And there may be more coming your way, who knows. So, Bob, what's next for you after graduation?
I have no idea what I'm going to do when I grow up in about a month. So I just haven't really had time to apply anywhere as much, but I'm currently looking for places.
Is this an industry you think you'd like to get into, though?
Absolutely. So, having been here, going on all the tours, this is probably where I would actually like to end up.
Fantastic. And what about you?
I'll be moving out to Boston to work at a company called DMC. It's a small company.
To work in what industry?
Automation of manufacturing systems.
Very cool. Very cool. Excellent. Well, guys, and I know hopefully we'll see you back here next year, right?
Definitely.
Excellent. The University of Massachusetts Amherst, learning from their mistakes. Definitely an important part of this entire challenge. Guys, thanks very much for making the trip. Say hey to everybody back home.
Thank you. Can we make a few special thanks?
Oh, hang on 1 second. Yeah, a few thank yous. Go ahead.
We'd like to thank SABIC for helping manufacturing our parts of our rocket, and as well as all of our sponsors, particularly Fred Bolitz, Tasman Ahmed, and John O'Connor, as well as the UMass departments, all of them who were really there for us throughout the whole event, and Vic Wynn and Howard Greenblatt, our mentor, who has taught us so much.
Yeah, it definitely takes the contributions from a lot of different people to help this kind of a project, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
We would not have been able to do any of this without them.
Thanks again, guys. Good point. I appreciate that. We'll have University of Notre Dame coming up here in just a few minutes on the 2016 Student Launch Event Challenge from Tony, Alabama.